back to the Voice News. I'm Palak with you. 12th class examinations. 12th class examination will be held in Corona period. 19 subjects will be conduct sources. 12th class examination in the joint meeting of the central and state government whether or not the 12th board examination should be conducted or not. 12th class examination outbreak of second wave of deadly coronavirus continue in the country. In the meaning, big news has come about the 12th class examinations. According to sources, 12th examinations will be conducted in the country during the corona period. For this, 19 subjects have been selected. The Union Education Minister held a high-level meeting with all the Education Minister and secretaries of the state government today. In this meeting, everyone proposed that it is very important to do that the 12th examinations because the future of the students will be decided on them. If not provided, what is the way out? Discussion in the meeting. In the joint meeting of the central government and state government whether or not the 12th board examination should be conducted or not. Then what was the way about that? It was discussed in a meeting convened under the chairmanship of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Union Minister Smriti Irani, Prakash Javadekar, Education Minister of all states and Union Territories Education Secretaries. Chairpersons of boards conducting examinations and examinations officers of other control institutions were present. Central government wants to consider all aspects. Significantly, due to corona, the boards of education of all states, CBSE, ICSE, had postponed the exams for class 12. At the same time, other institutes conducting national examination, including NTA, have postponed the examinations. While Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has said that on May 30 about the future or for the examinations. The central government wanted to consider all aspects before taking my decision. In this episode, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank had a meeting with the education secretaries of all states a week ago. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.